Ja IQ, where are you, my brother?
Well, you know, some day here, my bro, God, there, you know. Like another day, I see it all the days, aside. Yeah, man.
In the realest way. You don't know, it's a pleasure to have you here on the Justin Blake channel. You see it?
It's my pleasure, my boss, to have me here, understand? Yeah, man, I'm very appreciative of it.
For the people them out there on YouTube and social media who don't know where you come from, which part you come from?
Well, to tell you the honest truth, I was born and raised, you understand, in this community, reside in this community, still reside here, in Farm Heights, Rose Heights. You understand? So, Ja IK was raised up here, you know. Boy, both parents and, you know, parents split after a while and, you know, grow up separately with the father, you know, and been from a stagnant to a dormant and lifestyle and, you know, uplift myself from there to betterments, you know, but music is always my number one priority once upon a time until our kids them come forward until, you know, music and the youth them, you know. So we're just there doing it right here from Rose Heights, worldwide, global.
Not the realest way. So, how long now since you've been doing music?
Well, it's been a while, you know, like say for instance, well, I've been doing music from primary school, you know, until high school, you know, dancing from those days, you know, first music and dancing, you know, yeah, and, you know, performing arts within, like skills competitions and JCDCs and a lot of those things, you know, but from there, you know, never really take the music serious. There are a lot of entertainers and, you know, musicians, you know, and never really take it serious until 2012. So from 2012 until now, you understand, been putting out the hard work and being persistent in whatever I do, you understand, and constantly trying to give that drive, that push, because music is all I have apart from family and friends, and, you know, music is my life. I live, breathe, dream music, sleep music, eat music. So music is a passion from a tender age, you understand. So it's just manifesting now in the right manner. So I am getting the chance to explore my music in a certain field. So I am a reggae artist and a dancehall artist, but whatever genre that come my way within music, even if it's pop, you know, I can step up to the plate and, you know, deliver well. So I'm just trying to build myself as a brand. You understand?
For real, for
yeah,
real.
Ja IK is a brand, and I also have a Puzzlers Entertainment, which I'm trying to establish. So I'm trying to get those things, you know, registered.
Given the fact that Montego Bay is actually making their presence be felt in the music industry here in Jamaica. So when you talk about publishing and copywriting, or even to establish your own recording label, we really have to elaborate some more on that. So let me get your views.
Well, my views, you know, I would say, based on what I can see here in Montego Bay, you know, Montego Bay is full of talent. You understand? English language can't even explain the amount of talent that is here. Not just music, but the resources, the platform, you know, there are certain people who have the abilities and to lay down a way to facilitate a certain level for the grassroots, for the upcoming entertainers, the upcoming singers, you understand?
In other words, the youths them who are pursuing a career in music can have somewhere or someone that they can turn to really guide them.
Most definitely, because nowadays you notice, watch you pray now, you have a talented young man, including myself, you know, that will have a lot of things to express within reggae music, positiveness, consciousness, you understand, but, you know, the door is not open all the time, you know, for you to get a rhythm that you can actually, you know, express yourself, you know, in that manner, you know. So you get this rhythm now even from a little smallest producer away from the grassroots. You have to try to put whatever that, you know, that rhythm is talking to you in your mind, or whatever it is saying, you know. So it's maybe a dancehall flow, and, you know, you are trying to show that you are versatile, you know. So by, you know, doing it on that rhythm, it comes out nice and sounds good, and you know you have it published on YouTube or whatever platform media wise you may put it out on, and you will continue to get a buzz, but we are seeking a betterment for highlighting the young upcoming acts, the young upcoming talents, like myself.
For real,
So I am trying to be one of those persons who can create like my Puzzlers Entertainment, have it registered properly with whatever organization I'm supposed to, and we will now accept youths who people will turn away or refuse or reject, and try to give a listening ears or try to coach or give them a voice training, because that's what they see as their passion, because it's not everybody can sing within a way. But I've seen many artists before previous in life wherein they didn't know how to even put a sentence together to form a song, but they learn and they develop and they work on their craft. And
so artist development is something that we must pay more attention to in order to grow this new industry as it relates to dancehall and reggae music coming from Montego Bay, right?
Yes, sir.
You can remember the first song you recorded and released?
Yeah, the first song was a song called Me Have Life. You understand? It was recorded by Chilanda, Show the Vibes Records, you understand? Me have life, so a life me a live. Wake up this morning and a thanks me I give to Jah. The highest praises, protect us from the enemies who wanna slay we dear Jah. It's a blessing me a look, me kids a go to school and me have to buy the books, so God. How I make them a fight, accuse wrongfully and then take away rights them to slavery abolished, but me know say that a lie. We get emancipated. Physical, you know the thing go. You understand?
For real. So who produced that track?
That track was it was a rhythm from a close friend that has a label called Lava Record,
Lava Records.
Wanted.
Oh, so they were the ones who are actually responsible for the production. Chilanda only did the work.
Did the work in terms of voicing and
mixing, etc.
Yeah, etc.
Okay.
Yeah.
But the production company was Lava.
Lava Records.
Lava
you
Records.
Understand? Yeah, Wanted.
Right. After that, what happened after that?
Well, after that, I was moving along business-wise, getting, family together and, trying to get the kids' mind up focused to receive a tertiary education or a seemingly tertiary education. But we grew up in the rural communities, same way, garrisons, and but however, we try to motivate and build with kids them on a level. So we have to take time out there. So when I point, we take a little time out and that's try to get me with them vocabulary up. Make sure I play a father role, not a daddy, or a sperm donor role. Father role, you understand?
You get me?
Yeah.
How much children you get?
Well, 3, 3 beautiful, you understand? 2 girls, 1 boy.
For real.
Justin, Jadine, and Tony, and I see.
Definitely, I have to commend you for that, my brother. You see me? Because a lot of people put career first, and then when you find out because of not playing that parent role in the best ways possible, the children go astray, and that is tearing down the very fiber of our society. So I really have to commend you. I just want to tell us I respect you 150% for that. You get what I say?
Give thanks, my brother.
I'm sure my viewers and my subscribers, them go definitely appreciate even that about you. If there's anything to be taken away from this interview, is the fact that you are a committed father.
True.
You get what I say? But anyways, any siblings, how many brothers and sisters you have?
Well, I have Ralston, Wayne, brother Pastor and gone, Jonas, same way, you understand. Yeah, I have Malik, I have my brother, my sister Shavel, Janelle, you understand, and my sister abroad, studying to become a doctor aside, carrying aside.
How much brothers and sisters?
Bro, to tell you the truth, they never counted it about couple, let's say 7 years or something like that.
Why both parents?
Me, Shavel, Janelle, and my little brother Ralston, say, them they are my father youth, them, my sister, the rest of them, my big sister, they are abroad, Melanie, she, my mother, daughter, my brother, Wayne, Same way, my brother Malik, my mother's son, and my brother passed off, my mother's son, same way, side.
So your parents still living?
Yeah, man, both parents still alive, aside. Yeah, man, resigning farmers reside same way, you know.
From 2012, you said you've been doing music seriously. What would stand out the most on your musical journey up until this point?
I wouldn't say, not the material part of life, you know, but love. The greatest achievement for me right now from music is love. You understand? People who know me before and people who come along the way. You understand? And plus, you know, I have a certain views on YouTube which, you know, it's naturally gained, you know. I'm not out on Akamas yet or Crush Road or whatever, you know, that will enhance, you know, your fan base or your viewers, you know. And I got a couple of views on a few of my songs, you know, so I give thanks for that, apart from, as I say, when I go out or when I get a show for a little bookings, you know, you understand, I start accumulating a little funding, you know.
Are you in the studio working on any projects right now?
Well, yes, I'm working on a project called Pon the Bike, which it's already recorded and supposed to be mixed, you know, and mastered now, you know. The cover art is already done, so I think coming out soon, you know. So
right. Any mixtape that your fans can look out for?
Well, can look out for mixtape that if it come out same way, and other new songs from Dino Dean record. We work on that same way, and I want the name In Love in Memory. You understand? Yeah, and a girl song same way, not a real girl song still. For the ladies, you understand? It's a love song, you know?
For real.
Like, you know, something where the girl them can relate to, you know?
For real, for real. Well, you know, say, this interview go make people start search and be more interested in Jah Ike and Jah Ike music. You get me? I say so.
Physical.
You don't know, so people go definitely expect you to put out a steady flow of music so them can continue to support you, and in turn you go develop the fan base that will really go put you in the spotlight, and I'm offering this platform for you to take that next step towards achieving that major goal. You see me? Make people know which part they can find upon social media, Instagram, Facebook, youth, everywhere.
I mean, I say physical active, you know, Jah Ike the puzzler boss, yes, right? I mean, I represent, you know, you understand, for Justin Blake. You understand, I want to know fake. You understand it great. I say, watch it, chap. You understand, you can check me out. You understand, on Instagram, you don't know, 1 Jah Ike. That's the number 1. You understand? Jahiki. You understand? That's on Instagram. Boom. Jah Ike. Facebook. You understand? Snapchat. Jah Ike 1. Twitter. @Jah Ike 1. Yes, right. Yeah, man. You don't know. YouTube. Jah Ike. You understand? 1 Jah Ike. Same way. So everything is Jah Ike. You understand? On every platform. Yes, right.
Not the real.
Yeah, man. So, and you don't know. I have a thing I come out same way named Only Jah. You understand? I want the people them to look out for that side.
You have nobody with a life to shout out?
Yeah, man, I don't know. I say first and foremost, you understand? Me have to shout out the same way to my kids. I don't know a thing. You understand? To my family. You understand? I don't know. I don't know a thing. You see me, they big up to Sadiki Music, Kai Records. I don't know a thing. You understand? You don't know the thing. Justin Blake. You don't know the thing going on, man. Dead and Boss. I don't know Rep. You understand? You know the count. You understand? Sejico. Yeah, right there, side there, man. You see me there? Yeah, man, we just a big up. You don't know Blaze, you understand? Ramsey, you know the thing go. Heart of love.
Subscribe to Justin Blake channel.
Click the notification bell if you want to receive a notification each time a new video is published.